Alrighty, the airport just got cleared from the bomb threat and we're on our way to the gate, which we can hopefully make our plane on time and make it to Cancun. Standing in line at customs, waiting to get out. First glimpse of the outdoors. This is the beach in front of our resort, and this is looking at the other hotels on the same beach as us. Found a little crab right on the staircase. Alright, we're heading to the grocery store to do some shopping. 50 cents.
It's okay.
Here we have a cart escalator. It locks the wheels in your cart and it allows you to go upstairs in the store. Some Christmas donuts here. Some more pastries. Here we are catching a bus into the mall, and it costs around 12 pesos per person to ride the bus as long as you'd like. There's the river through the mall. They got it all decorated up for Christmas. This is what some of the gift shops look like in Cancun and some of the things you can buy. This lady's making some fresh tortillas for the restaurant we ate at. Here's one of the pharmacies where you can buy whatever you'd like for no prescription at all. Going to the gas station to get some food. These are all less than $1 US dollar. There's the sunrise. 7:20 a.m. Next, we're on our way to Cobo, which is a couple-hour drive from Cancun. We're going to look at some ruins over there. On our way to Cobo, we passed through some small villages, and this is a video showing some of the buildings throughout the area.
Another dog.
These were some of the bike taxis that the locals took you on to bike you around to the ruins across the jungle.
Right? So the honey in that time they were used for hallucinogenic drinks, for ceremonies. They were used for mortar. They were
These people are rebuilding a road that got damaged by some flooding, and they're doing it all by hand. Going down Cenote.
That's what I said. I said, no snakes, never. No sabe lo que está metiéndose. La tía allá hasta arriba no se quiere meter. Daddy, you're okay, you're okay. Hey. Look at the one on the left.
Spider. Ooh, that one's deep. There it is.
Oh, don't touch the wall. Daddy, go. What are you
There
taking
you
a
go.
picture of?
Eddie, keep going. Keep going.
Get down. Where's
Giant cliff. Here it is. We're down in the cenote. Underground cave filled with water. I was able to capture some underwater shots throughout the trip using a waterproof case I got for my gimbal.
I wonder if this part has no water.
The next place we went to was Explore, and it had a lot of cool things you could do outside. It was like an outdoor amusement park where you could go swimming, you can go ATV riding, and just have fun in the Mexican weather. About to go hop on a John Deere tractor and go drive through the jungle.
Just less swimming. Oh, God. Keep going.
These are some of the sanitation measures they do in Mexico. They clean the bottom of your feet, and then you can also use these pumps to get hand sanitizer. They also have an all-you-can-eat buffet, and it's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This was my first time going on a zip line, and it was super fun. You could see a lot of stuff from the top, and it went fast, and it wasn't too scary. Right there, you can see there's a big alligator sitting down there in the pond. Next, we went to Shellha, which is similar to Explore, but a different kind of park, more aimed towards water. We found this monkey swinging across the tree. This was the first stop while you're at Shellha, and you go through this canopy of a jungle, and the water is 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is super warm. We got another zip line, but this time it goes into the water and you just kind of slowly splash. Lydia and I are currently in the middle of the snorkeling area where you kind of look down and see a bunch of fish and stingrays, and you can see all kind of wildlife down there. These are the manatees at Shellha, and as you can see, you can swim with the manatees if you pay an extra price. And then they were also feeding them heads of lettuce as their main source of food. Here's another one of the cenotes. They're all over Mexico. They're like hundreds. You can just kind of stop in and hop in if you'd like. This video shows all the fish that are just naturally in the water in the ocean, which you can see, with your snorkel goggles or anything else. This is called fish therapy, and you can get this done in many places in Mexico. These little fish are cleaning off the top and bottom of my feet, and you can see in this video that there's just little tanks, and you just sit there and have it done for a few minutes. Here we are at a market on Lydia's birthday, and we're doing some shopping. And at this place you can negotiate some prices to get a better deal. This is Lydia's birthday massage next to the ocean. There she is getting her massage. Lydia's dad bought a piñata at a local market and filled it with some Mexican candy for all the kids. These are a few extra drone shots that I took.